Hey guys, I am CJ and welcome back to my channel. So today is June 3, 2020 and today is Wednesday and I believe it's the third day of the general community quarantine here in Cebu City. It started last Monday, June 1, and I've seen a lot of posts on Facebook about it and what's happening in Cebu City, and I observed that I've seen significant increase of people in public, and I saw a lot of posts as well nga kuan open ang mga malls, and then nani mga shops nga open, yeah, because of the GCQ. I personally haven't gone out yet since January, since June 1. Ninggawas ko pag Saturday, which is May 30, for my weekly grocery run. So I don't know what's really happening outside. It's just gonna be an update vlog sa GCQ diri sa Cebu City. So please subscribe to this channel and watch this video until it happened to mag 4,000 hours watch time. Monetize ko, mag-giveaway dyan ko kung daghan. Wow! Wow! Alright, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Okidokis. Hopefully everything gets better because we're still on a pandemic, and I mean, like, there's a lot of things going on for this year. We have the pandemic, we have that riots in America, we have this anti-terrorism bill in the Philippines, and I don't know, probably 2020 is the worst year ever. Nada in meme din nga June is here. Yeah, date of apocalypse is June 27, 2020. So I don't know if it's a premonition, but it's, well, I mean, it's like scary kayo hunaon, so it gives a lot of anxieties. So hopefully you guys are okay, for those who are watching. So if you're experiencing anxiety and depression in that period of time, so please have someone to talk to. Please share your experiences and comments and your messages below, and I would love to hear that, and I would love to listen. And yeah. And hopefully everything's gonna be fine. I hope everything's gonna be back to normal soon, because I can't really wait to travel again. Musimang ko kadiyot kay apit na alas 12 mag-order sa ko og pagkaon, gigigutom ko. Actually nag-crave ko og donuts. And then kuan man next week Monday presweldo. So kuan, yeah, nag-crave og donuts, so I think mag Food Panda siguro ko ron. Shout out to Food Panda. If you join my previous giveaway with Food Panda, thank you very much, and hopefully nga if maka-monetize na ko ron, mapil pa mo sa akong giveaway po ron. Mangita pa daw ko sa giveaway day. Wow! Dunkin Donuts. Okay, so nanay Dunkin Donuts sa Ayala Center, Cebu. Actually, dool ka kaya siya, pero ako lang i-order kaya di ko ganahan mo gawas yun. Yeah, ang lighting na po itong wala. Mono, di ko na mo gawas. So magkuan ko og barkada bando. Sa onya traffic. Ako to sinian. Sama. Sometimes you gotta know when it's time to let it go. Sometimes it's hard to see when it's time for you to leave. Okay, so ordering Food Panda right now and placing order. So hopefully I get this because I'm craving for donuts. So while waiting, mukanta na sa ako. Oh. So lately, me wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. GoPro mode. Oh, so na sila?
Oo.
Ang driver?
Oo.
Mga ba?
Motor, nag-grab ka, nagkuhan ka.
Food Panda.
Panda, kasunod kay gihat. Dili man gihatod dili ang katong akong gikuan nga Shopee.
Mao ba?
Oo.
Turningon mo kung meet up at M. Luwelier. Tur po doon niya. Katod po siguro. Ang sabihin na dahil no, ka-GCQ naman.
Oo. Kasunod naman.
Wala may gabantay na rin eh. Sama ka po. Thank you. So wala na nagabantay eh. Salamat sa mga frontliners mula sa Dunkin Donuts. Salamat mga frontliners. Okay, so man na abot sa balay, nakuha na ako ang order. So wala may gabantay nga doon sa eskina de. So pwede na makasulod ang mga non-resident diri sa Hipodromo. So next time ang order pwede na deras babaw na doon. So
Kunya nanang si lady.
Tanig ka ng ire. Sama na kape, nagbuka ka kape nagbuka plato.
Dara. Wala, duha na kabok sa butternut. Kaunta, mitas balik wapay paniud to. May tawag nga diet. Asa nang butang kare na. Bahulo. Damay-damay na this. Wala. Bawal ba sa mga ilo kay kulit. Happy for me. Nice video. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Hope nga galingan ra nga video nga bahalag seryoso siya. Pero mato siya update sa mong barangay diri sa GCQ. So tanaw na to kung sa may tabo sa Cebu City. Ika June 15. Kay mo man diha ba tama na GCQ no?
Mura.
So kuan sunod dayon MGCQ dayon.
Masin.
Modified General Community Quarantine niya. Pag human, new normal. Niya pag human, ICQ na mo balik. Kaya wala man isak. Kaya wala man naog ang kanang kuan.
Di saka man.
Isakad. So wala katawanan kayo mamando kay di nga flattening the curve pero sa Pilipinas kay nisakaw niya flat to sa babaw. Kunya mas testing yan sabot ana.
Mudaghan pa jud.
Testingan para sa virus, di testingan nga naa ni vaccine. Namo si viral karon ba nga kanang dancer bitaw nga kanang kuan. Kung siya kasabot unsa mas testing. Ang iya pagsabot sa mas testing kay kanang nako ni vaccine kuno nga mo testingan.
No.
Trial and error kuno.
Parehas ko sa ECQ pass. Quarantine pass. Wala sila kasabot. Abi nila ang kanang ECQ pass nagtuo sila o kanang pwede na magagamit nila para paninda. Wala sila kasabot na ang ECQ pass para na pang grocery.
Pound sad. So, kung may problema na yun guys, comment down below. Sistema or mga tao? Ano? Pwede akong donut. Mana? Maraming mukbang kami. Mukbang ako sunod do.
Dagan ito kasabot anak. Dagan ko kasabot sa kuan.
Ako sa masikuwangan na pag edukar o pagkuhan.
Kuan na, pa-eskwela ko, di man mag-eskwela.
Kaya, di kasabot. Mas sige, Bisaya na, di ka pong sabot.
Oo. Away, lalison pang kuan gobyerno.
Mana? Sure fish na lang.
Once I get a little older, I won't worry. When you get older and you don't feel like it should. I'm thinking once I learn to go, I wear them plenty. I realize my life's already good. Already good. Already good. Life's already good. I realize my life's already good.
Nagkatawa lagi ko ani lagi. Kaning sa CBC ba, Cebu Barter Community. Kaning bitaw beach lot in Siargao. I don't know if you can see it. Focus ra good eh. Kana. Kuya was ay pabarter beach lot man. Nya ang wishlist kay property. So maikog naman tanin si lang ipabarter. So man eh.